Have you ever thought that your kitchen might be teaching you how to succeed in life? Cooking isn't just about food, it's about patience, strategy, and growth. And surprisingly, success works. That every great dish starts with a plan. You check the recipe, gather ingredients, prepare your tools. Because without planning, things fall apart. Life is no different, whether it's your career, studies, or goals. A clear plan is the first step towards success. Imagine trying to cook with the wrong tools. A dull knife, incorrect temperature, missing equipment. The result? A failed dish. In life, your skills are your tools, your knowledge is your power. The better your tools, the better your results. Great food takes time. You can't rush a slow-cooked meal or pull a cake out too early. If you do, it's ruined. Success is the same. It takes time, it takes consistency, it takes patience. Trust the process. Sometimes just a pinch of salt can completely transform a dish. It's the small details that matter. In life, small habits, small improvements, small efforts create big results. Burnt the food, added too much salt, it happens. But great chefs don't quit. They learn and try again. In life, mistakes are not failure. They are lessons. Growth comes from trying again. The best chefs never stop experimenting. They try new recipes, new flavors, new ideas. Why? Because growth comes from stepping out of comfort zones. No risk equals no growth. Experiment equals opportunity. A chef checks taste, texture, temperature. You should check your progress too. Ask yourself, am I improving? Am I moving forward? If yes, you're on the right path. So next time you step into the kitchen, don't just cook, learn. Because success is just like a recipe. Plan well, be patient, keep improving, never stop learning. And remember, great meals and great lives both take time to create.